Today's subject is mathematics and the topic is properties of addition and subtraction of integers. Under properties, we are going to learn about closure property, commutative property, associative property and additive identity. Closure property of addition. For any two integers a and b, a plus b is an integer. It means that when we add two integers, we always get the result as an integer. Let us look into the example. 5 plus 6 gives 11. Minus 7 plus 4 gives us minus 3. Here 11 and minus 3 are integers. So in both cases the result is an integer. Hence integers are closed under addition. Closure property of subtraction. For any two integers a and b, a minus b is an integer. It means that when we subtract two integers, we always get the result as an integer. Now let us look into the examples. 7 minus 9 gives us minus 2. 10 minus of minus 5 gives us 15. Here minus 2 and 15 are integers. So in both the cases the result is an integer. Hence integers are closed under subtraction. Commutative property of addition. For any two integers a and b, a plus b is equal to b plus a. Now what do you understand about commutative property? Commutative property says that we can add integers in any order. That is, if we change the order of the integers while adding, then also the result is the same. Look into the example. 3 plus 2 gives us 5. 2 plus 3 also gives us 5. Similarly, 5 minus 6 gives us minus 1. Now, when we change the order of 5 and minus 6, the result is the same. Children, observe carefully. Even if the order of the integers change, then the result is the same. There is no difference in the answer. Hence, integers are commutative under addition. Commutative property of subtraction. For any two integers a and b, a minus b is not equal to b minus a. If we change the order of the integers while subtracting, then the result will not be the same. Look into the examples. 5 minus of minus 3 gives 8. Minus 3 minus 5 gives us minus 8. Observe carefully. Here the order of the integers have been changed and the result is also different. So if we change the order of the integers while subtracting, then the result is not the same. Therefore, integers are not commutative under subtraction. Associative property of addition. For any three integers a, b and c, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. This property involves in grouping of numbers. If we change the grouping of the integers while adding more than two integers, then the result is the same. Let us understand this by an example. The given example tells us we can either add minus 6 and 4 together and add that sum to 5 to get the result, or we can add 5 and minus 6 together first and then add that sum to 4 to get the final answer. The answer will be the same no matter which way we do it. Therefore, the integers are associative under addition. Associative property of subtraction. For any three integers a, b and c, a minus b minus c is not equal to a minus b minus c. Look into the example. In the LHS, we group b and c, but whereas in the RHS, we group a minus b. So when we subtract minus 5 and minus 2, we get minus 7. Again, when we subtract 7 and minus 7, we get the result as 14. Now look into the RHS. Here we subtract 7 and minus 5, we get 12. Again, when we subtract 12 and minus 12, we get 10. So is the result same? No, they are not equal. So, integers are not associative under subtraction. Additive identity. For any integer a plus 0 is equal to a. 0 is the additive identity for all integers. Example, 7 plus 0 is equal to 7. Minus 5 plus 0 is equal to minus 5. Now the question is, why 0 is an additive identity? Why any other number cannot be an additive identity? It is because when we add 0 to any integer, it does not change its value. It remains the same. So therefore, 0 is the additive identity for all integers. Now let us look into two exercise problems. Now here in the first main, they have given, write down a pair of integers whose sum is minus 7. Here they have given us the sum, so we need to add. So children, here we have to consider two numbers. When we add those two numbers, we should get the sum as minus 7. So I will consider 10 and minus 17. 10 plus minus 17 is equal to minus 7. Remember, plus into minus is equal to minus. Here you can also consider minus 4 and minus 3. Minus 4 plus of minus 3 is equal to minus 4 minus 3, which gives us the result as minus 7. Now the next one, write a pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. Here they have given difference, so we need to subtract and we should take two negative integers. We should take two negative integers and we need to subtract. So when we subtract, we should get the result as 8. So here I have taken minus 5 and minus 13. Minus 5 minus minus 13 is equal to minus 5 plus 13, which gives us 8. So students, I hope you all have understood the concept. Thank you.